What if, in 1,000 years, humans evolved to communicate thoughts directly, without uttering a single word? Picture a future where our mental capacities are so advanced that we process data as rapidly as light travels. This isn't mere fantasy, it's a thoughtful projection about the potential development of our species. We're embarking on a journey into the next 1,000 years that could alter our understanding of humanity. Our tale commences with the human mind's evolution. Over time, our brains have tripled in size, paving the way for intricate cognitive abilities. But what could the future bring? With technology accelerating at a breakneck speed, we might observe a union of biology and technology that could supercharge our cognitive capabilities. Our minds might process information swiftly, retain more knowledge, and potentially even discover currently unimaginable abilities, such as telepathy or telekinesis. Our minds could potentially process information faster, remember more, and even unlock abilities that seem fantastical today, like telepathy or telekinesis. So, what could the future of human evolution look like? How might we harness our own capacity for change? It's time to ponder, to question, and to dream. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the mysteries of human evolution. As our minds evolve, so too will our behaviors. With the increasing advancement in our cognitive abilities, we might usher in an era of augmented social dynamics. Our interactions, our connections, our conveyance of emotions, all could be on the brink of an unprecedented metamorphosis. Visualize for a moment an age where empathy transcends beyond the mere confines of an emotion, a society where it manifests as a collective experience, enabling us to not only understand but genuinely feel the emotions of others. This transformation can open avenues for truly walking in another person's shoes, their joys, their struggles, their victories, their defeats. We could feel it all, creating a society that is more compassionate and understanding. Moreover, our social interactions could potentially be freed from the shackles of language or geographical limitations. These barriers that once seemed insurmountable could cease to exist. Picture a world where thoughts, ideas, and knowledge aren't confined by borders, but shared freely and instantaneously across the global community. A world where an individual's thought can spark inspiration in the mind of someone halfway across the globe in the same instant. Imagine the limitless potential of such a society. It's a prospect that is both exciting and a little overwhelming. Such a transformation could redefine our existence, making empathy and understanding the cornerstones of our interactions. So consider a world where our social interactions aren't limited by language or geographical boundaries, where thoughts and ideas could be shared instantaneously with anyone, anywhere. And now, as we draw to a close, I want you to take a moment. Close your eyes and let your imagination run wild. Envision this transformation of social interactions. What does it look like to you? How does it feel? Hold on to that vision, ponder over it as we delve deeper in our next chapter. But such evolution won't come without its challenges. The path to this cognitive revolution is strewn with numerous hurdles that we need to overcome. As our minds grow more powerful, as our cognitive abilities expand exponentially, we might find ourselves wrestling with the inevitable teething troubles. We would be required to develop new adaptations, new tools and strategies to handle these enhanced abilities. These adaptations could be in the form of psychological shifts, mental reorganizations, and unique strategies. They could range from improved emotional regulation to prevent sensory overload, a very real possibility in a world where information is fed to us in a constant, relentless stream. In such an environment, the ability to filter out the noise would be crucial for the preservation of our mental health. Furthermore, we might need to cultivate advanced multitasking abilities. The present-day world is a bustling hub of information, where multiple stimuli compete for our attention at every moment. The new age will only amplify this information influx, asking us to process vast amounts of data at a faster rate. The development of advanced multitasking skills could be a key evolutionary step to manage relentless influx of information, helping us stay in control without being overwhelmed. Our minds in this envisioned future might not just become more robust or more versatile. They could become more resilient, adaptable, and agile than ever before. This is a transformation that could redefine what it means to be human, pushing the of our mental capacities to realms yet unexplored. So as we stand on the brink of this incredible transformation, the question we must ask ourselves is, are we ready to adapt? What kind of psychological shifts will we need to make to harness our enhanced abilities? As you ponder these questions, remember, the future of our mental evolution is in our hands. In summary, the next 1,000 years could usher in a new era of human evolution, characterized by significant advancements in our cognitive abilities, substantial alterations in our interactions, and groundbreaking psychological adaptations. We are exploring an era where technological advancements could potentially enhance our very existence, pushing our cognitive abilities beyond their current limits. The implications of this could be far-ranging, affecting every aspect of life as we know it. While these thoughts may seem to be a bit far-fetched at first glance, it is crucial to remember that evolution is a ceaseless tinkerer, with an insatiable curiosity, always pushing the boundaries of what's possible and what we believe to be conceivable. Imagine a world where social interactions are no longer dictated by physical proximity, but are instead defined by virtual landscapes, recreating our current social norms. The capacity to adapt at a psychological level to such radical changes could be the key to our survival and could define the future of our species. As we traverse through this journey, one thing to bear in mind is that the future is an ever-changing landscape, a vast expanse where the only constant is constant change itself. Evolutionary changes that might seem unimaginable now could be commonplace in the future. So, as we stand on the precipice of the future, one can't help but wonder, what kind of humans will we evolve into? But as we conclude, we'd like to leave you with a thought to ponder. What do you envision for the future of human evolution? What changes and advancements do you predict? Let's keep the speculation going. Remember, the possibilities are limitless.